I easily and permanently got rid of my keratosis pilaris in 5 days. Cure your keratosis pilaris naturally, get your confidence back. After 15 years of KP, I cleared my skin permanently, felt comfortable in tank tops, was not petrified when touched, stopped wasting money on skincare creams, and stopped picking. I remember the first time keratosis pilaris affected my life. I was 14 years old and infatuated with a boy. We were at Six Flags, in line for a roller coaster. He got close to me and rubbed my arms. He stopped and asked, "What is that rash on your arms? Is it contagious?" What could I say? I was too embarrassed to see him again. After that horrific episode, I was totally self-conscious. 10 dermatologists said take this, and your skin will clear. It's no big deal, live with it, wrote a prescription for useless skin creams. I tried them, my KP got worse. I was depressed and wouldn't get close to anyone. I made excuses when asked to go swimming or the beach. When it was sunny and 80 degrees, I'd wear long-sleeve shirts while being scorched by the sun. It's all useless. You head to the pharmacy. You spend $50 on a skin cream. You apply it for 3 days, then check your results in the mirror. You tell yourself there's a slight improvement. You keep applying the cream. You check the results again. But, you know your skin is the same as before. You're frustrated, depressed, and no hope. Then you try a new cream or treatment, getting the same results. I fought KP for 15 years. I know how you feel. I wanted to have clearing smooth skin. I felt it was only a dream, that it wouldn't really happen. Then I thought, if doctors and dermatologists wouldn't help, I'll research and find a solution on my own. I spent days devouring medical forums, dermatological journals, homeopathy sites, and textbooks. I learned from my experience testing creams and solutions, what semi-worked and what didn't help at all, so I had a general idea of what to look for. Then, my aha moment. I tested my method. I was surprised by the results. My skin was smoother but was still red. I went back to researching and testing and now I have smooth skin, and no redness around my hair follicles. I was a bridesmaid, which meant hideous, strapless dresses. But my skin was the best it had ever been. I felt on top of the world. This day should have terrified me, but it was a blast. I got many compliments on how I looked. Some people said there was a difference, but didn't know what it was. I was happy with nothing to hide anymore, and I could throw my arms up and say, "Here I am, world." I want you to experience the same feeling. So I will show you my 100% natural KP bumps vanishing system. It's called Vanish My Bumps. Here's everything you need to know to clear up keratosis pilaris from the inside out. Anyone can do it. You don't need a doctor or a nutrition nut. You just need to have a strong desire to be rid of KP once and for all.